problem. Okay, all of you see the screen. If you write it empty string, all characters should be split. Okay, GORAKSHANATH. Okay, all characters should be split. Yes, if it is right, it string Sejal Gorak, roll number 71st your name and second name, only this much name you split it. Okay, means you are split it only first name and second name. Then if it is write it, don't write any string in your split function. Then all characters should be split it in different, split it in separately. Okay, GORAKSH. Okay, like this. Okay, all of you understood this much part? Yes. Then we will move for our second function, sub function. Okay, in sub function we will see old character should be replaced to new character. Okay, import re then string is equal to okay, then sub function is a substitute of the string. Okay, means re dot sub, they're having all of you. First you see the syntax of sub. Sub pattern replace string count 0. It is your syntax. Pattern replace which string to which string. Okay, replace which string to which string. Okay, means your old string to new string. Okay, and then your str function, str string. Okay, then write it your old character here k. Okay, then replace the new character capital K, then str. Okay, then print it x. Capital K, Karan Kai. Okay, suppose we will write it here A. All of you understood? Means your old character you replace with new character. Okay? Yes, all of you understood this much part? Yes? Suppose you write it here A replace with capital A. Karan Kai. Okay? All of you understood the output of your program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Then we will move our next point. Yes, we will, today's session, we will see the calendar. Next, we will see the date time module. And next, we will see the regular expression. What is meant by regular expression? Okay. And next, they are having the 4 of function. Find all, search, split, and sub. If you want to do your own, that take your time, 10 minutes time to you to perform the regular expression function. Okay? Yes? Next, we will see the array. Okay, they're having the array. All of you know about array. What is in the array? Yes, C, C++, Java. They're having so many times array theory will be repeat. Yes, what is mean by array? Yes, anyone tell me? Yes, all of you speak up. All of you know about the array. Yes, we will see the array, how to import array module in Python. See here, we will see C, C++. They're having so many. Reduce the Python code. Okay, listen carefully. We will only import the array module in Python and access how many index and element if you want to access it in Python programming. Okay, array means your collection of atom, collection of similar data into position and arrange the sequence of string. Okay, like this. Means this is meant by array. Collection of character, collection of atoms in continuous memory location to hold the fixed number of atoms. Okay. The how to represent array. All of you know about array representation. Yes. Then take the one example, draw it one example array, how to representation of array. Okay, your task, your first task, then we will move for a array. Okay, take 5 minutes time, array representation. They're having 3 types, 3 step, first, second, third. You tell me what is the 3-step array. Okay, and array representation. Okay, take time, take your note, pen and page, draw it array representation and share your screen within the 10 minutes. Okay, you are having the 10 minutes time to represent your array representation. Okay, yes, because of, yes, we will take the 10 minutes time. Okay, it is sufficient for you, Vedangi, Sakshi. Yes. Vedangi, Sakshi. Sakshi is here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And only take pen and paper. Compulsory to write pen and paper, array representation, 3 step and draw the array representation. How to character if you write it in index 0, 1, 2, 4 and how to element insert into array. Yes, only simple way to example do it. Okay, 10 minutes time to you. Okay, then raise your hand if it is complete. Okay. Yes, anyone complete? Yes. Roll number B75. Meet yourself. Okay. Yes. Anyone completed? Just we will see today theory of array. Then we will move for array program in next session. No any doubt. Okay. We will not speed my speed. My speed is no. We will not increase. We'll move for our step by step. Okay. Because of you should be understood all concept, each and every concept. Because of if you doing the project of any based on Python, you compulsory to learn how to import, how to resolve the problem in your project. Okay, that's why we'll go for step by step. And B division, I am expected from one of you to share your screen. B division. I'm expected from your division, one of you, at least one student, at least to share your screen. At least one student. एक simple example घ्या arrayचं. How to print 10 element in array using array representation. Okay, मी simple एक example दिलंय. Suppose you are having the atoms. Okay, books atom, books having the array of books, C, C++, Java, Python, and next one data structure. Then how to represent it in array? Yes, only this much part I will tell you to do using the array representation. How to represent using the array. Okay. Vedangi, over. Don't do any array program. I will not to do any array program in today's session. मी तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम करायला नाहीये लावलेला, तुम्हाला थेरी लिहायला लावले. तू एक्झाम्पल घ्या आणि मला पेन अँड पेपर, यूज ओनली पेन अँड पेपर अँड रिप्रेझेंट दी array. Yes, any example, you take it any example. Yes, तुम्हाला प्रोग्राम करायला लावला नाहीये, तुम्हाला फक्त array रिप्रेझेंटेशन करायला लावलेला आहे. हाऊ टू रिप्रेझेंट array in using the example. Okay. Time is over. Yes, anyone? Any one of you to represent? Share your screen. Yes, Vedangi, be ready. And B division, who is share your screen. Yes, tell me. We will not stop our session. Otherwise. B division. Who is represented? Share your screen. लगेच बोला. चला. कोण शेअर करणार आहे स्क्रीन? येस. वैष्णवी, वैभवी. बी डिव्हिजन. शैलेश भोसले. Follow the norm. Okay. Write your division, roll number, and next your name. Change it, and present all session. Otherwise, affect for your internal external mark. Yes, anyone B division. No anyone want to share your screen? मी तुम्हाला एक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल घ्या म्हणलं. कोणतं पण एक्झाम्पल घ्या आणि ते तुम्ही च्या साह्याने रिप्रेझेंट करा. मी एवढंच बोललेले आहे. तुम्हाला जास्त याच्यामध्ये काही दिलेलं नाहीये. डीप मध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह नाहीये करायची. तुम्हाला सिंपल ॲरे रिप्रेझेंटेशन करायचं. टेक एनी एक्झाम्पल युअर ओन. ओके. Yes, anyone? Vedangi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You are ready to sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. B division. Any one of you to share your screen. Yes, Vedangi. You are now co-host. Share your screen.
Ma'am, first we have to declare an array with its size, and then we can initialize the array by giving the elements, or we can also take from user by using the for loop. And
Yes.
then we can display the array elements by its index also, and also using the for loop.
Okay, okay. You take it simple way to representation of array. Okay, good one, Vedangi. Okay, we will see the next lecture how to import array in our module or array module in the next session. Okay, Vedang, B division. B division. Otherwise, we will not leave this session. बी डिव्हिजन मधून एक तरी कॅन्डिडेट यायला पाहिजे, एक तरी स्टुडंट. Yes, anyone represent in the B division, into B division. Yes. B35. ओमकार बाबर, श्रद्धा, नेहा कोष्टी, ओम राजे, mute your video. Yes. Roll number 33, B division. Yes. Any one of you to share your screen. बी डिव्हिजन मध्ये कोणच रेडी नाहीये, ते शेअर करू शकता स्क्रीन. Yes. No, anyone want to share your screen? B division, be present here. A division, tell your roll number, name. Presently. A division, start your presenting. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2, 2, absent, 3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 7, 8, 8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Ma'am.
12, 12, 13, 13, roll number 13, 14,
Yes, ma'am.
15. 15. Roll number 15. Absent. 16.
Present, ma'am.
18.
17, ma'am. Present.
17 present. 18.
Yes, ma'am.
19.
Present, ma'am.
20. 20. 21. 22.
Present, ma'am.
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24.
Yes, ma'am.
25. 24. 25.
Present, ma'am.
24 is also present.
26.
Present, ma'am.
27. Absent. 28. 28. Present. 29. Absent. 30.
Present, ma'am.
31.
Present, ma'am.
32.
Present, ma'am.
33.
Present, ma'am.
34. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Yes, ma'am.
37. 37. Absent. 36. 38. Absent. 39. Present. 40.
Present, ma'am.
41.
Present, ma'am.
42.
Present, ma'am.
43.
Present, ma'am.
44.
Present, ma'am.
44. 45.
Present.
46.
Present,
46. 47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present, ma'am.
49.
Present, ma'am.
50.
Yes, ma'am.
51. 51. Absent. 52. Absent. 53.
Present, ma'am.
54. 54. 55. 56.
Present.
57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
60. 60. 60. 60. Absent. Okay. 61.
Yes, ma'am.
62.
Yes, ma'am.
63.
Yes, ma'am.
64.
Yes, ma'am.
65.
Yes, ma'am.
66. 67. 67. Lohar. Okay. Present. 68.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
69.
Present, ma'am.
70.
70 present, ma'am.
71.
Yes, ma'am.
72.
Present, ma'am.
73.
Yes, ma'am.
74.
Present, ma'am.
75.
Present, ma'am.
78.
Present.
79. 78. 79. 80. Vikas.
Present.
Vikas present. Yes. Absent roll number from A division 2, 8, 12, 13, 15, 20, 21, 27, 29, 34, 37, 38, 51, 52, 54, 55, 60, 67, 79.
Roll number 2 is present, ma'am.
Okay.
Is present.
67. 67 present. 54.
A28.
A. A किती? A, 28. Okay. 28 present. Absent roll number. I will repeat it once again. Absent roll number. 8. Listen carefully. 8, 12, 13, 15, 20, 21, 27, 29, 34, 37, 38, 51, 52, 55, 60, 79. Yes, anyone present from this roll number? Yes? No. Okay. Okay. Yes. We will got one answer from B division. Then anyone want to interest to share your screen? At least one student in B division. I will got it one answer from B division. Okay. Then we will start. Yes. Okay. No problem. We will go for our attendance. Okay. B division also give the answer from our question, my question. No any problem. But another student also interest to give the answer. Give the answer. Okay. In A division, Vishakha and Rahul and Vedangi, they're having 4 to 5 members are very much interactive. Okay. Like this B division also, I expected from B division also interactive with me. Okay. Yes. B division, start your presenting. 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4,
Yes, ma'am.
5, 5, present. 6, absent. 7, absent. 8, present. 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, absent. 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23, 23, absent. 24,
Present, ma'am.
25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
20, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
Yes, ma'am.
29, 29, 30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 36, 36, present. 37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 39, absent. 40, present, Bhushan.
Present, ma'am.
41, 41,
Present, ma'am.
Yogiraj.
Present, ma'am.
42, 42, 42, absent. 43, absent. 44, absent. 45,
Present, ma'am.
46, absent. 47,
Present, ma'am.
48, 48, absent. 49, present.
Present.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present, ma'am.
52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54, 54, absent. 55, absent. 56, 57, absent. 58,
Yes,
present. 59, absent. 60, absent. 61, Aniket Patil. 61, present. 62, absent. 63, absent. 64, Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 65, absent. 66, absent. 67, Omkar Sathe.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. 68, absent. 69, 70,
Present, ma'am.
71, 71, Omraje. 72,
Present, madam.
73,
71 is present, ma'am.
yes. 73,
Yes, ma'am.
74, absent. 75, absent.
75 present, ma'am.
76,
75
75, yes, okay.
present.
75 present. 76, absent. 77, absent. 78, Chinmay.
Present.
78 present. 79,
Yes, ma'am.
80
Yes.
present. Any follow the
Ma'am.
norms. Yes. Follow the
76
norms.
present.
Follow the norms. Yes. B55.
Madam,
And
76 present.
Yes. Sailesh.
Madam,
Sailesh is.
B5 is present.
Wait.
ASK 29.
Wait for a minute. We will tell the some of the important point. Okay. No, follow the norms of session. Okay. Joining the session. They're having the B55 years. Follow the norms. First, division, write your roll number and then name. That's why I'm talking to you, because of we will take the follow to present your participant list. Okay. We'll having the participant list. All are present here. Then only then your presentee will be marked. Yes. B55 years. It is not correct to norms. Okay. Follow the norms of declaring the session. We will start the session. Follow the norms of the session. Yes. Then absent roll number of today's session, B division. Okay. Listen carefully. B division. Absent roll number 6, 7, 14, 23, 25, 27, 9, 39, 42, 43, 44, 46, 48, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59,
And 55 present.
55 present. Okay. See 56, 56.
present, ma'am.
23, 57, 59, 60.
15 present, ma'am.
15 present. Yes, yes. I will call you the absent roll number now. 6, 7, 14. Up to 1 to 20. 6, 7, 14. Anyone absent? Anyone present? 6, 7, 14? No. Then 21 to 30. 23, 25, 29. Yes? No. Okay. 31 to 40, no, 50, 39, 42, 43, 44, 46, 48. Okay. And then 51 to 60, 54, 55, 55
present.
Yes, yes. B55 present. 56, 57, 59, 60. Then 61 to 80, 62, 63, 65, 66, 68, 69, 74, 77.
74 present.
74 present. Okay. Then we will stop here and wait for 5 minutes. Anyone present in this roll number?
Ma'am,
Yes, B division.
A79.
A79 present.
A13, ma'am.
A13 present.
B19, ma'am. B05, ma'am.
Okay. Silas Bhosle, your roll number is 76. Bhosle, am I correct? Okay. We will stop here today's session. We will move our next session. How to import array in the Python. Okay. We will move for our next session. Okay. Thank you very much. Session is over. You are having the good day, good session. Okay. Session is over.